Hello students, today we are going to do exercise 12.2 question number 8. So in question number 8 it is given a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5-meter long rope. So we need to find out area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze, and number 2, the increase in grazing area if the rope were 10-meter long instead of the 5-meter. So here side of the square field is given, that is 15 meter, and also given the length of the rope. So length of the rope will be the radius, because you can see in the diagram which is given in the book, the rope is tied from the corner of the square, so one sector will be formed and that one will be as radius. So here this one number 1 I am doing, 8 number 1, length of rope will be equal to the radius of sector, radius equal to 5 meter. Then angle of sector will be 90 degree because it is a square, angle at center, or angle of sector, actually same thing. Therefore area of sector formula we are going to use now, theta by 360 pi r square. So in the question it is mentioned pi value we have to take 3.14, theta is 90 degree, 90 by 360, 3.14 r square, r is 5 into 5 meter square. So we can cancel this 4, this is 1.572, and with 2 we can cancel 5 also, 2.5. So we have 1.57 and 25 5s are 125, point before 1 digit, 12.5. So now we will multiply this 1.57 and 12.5. So it will be 19.625 meters square. So therefore area grazed by the horse is equal to 19.625 meters square. Second question is given the increase in grazing area. We have to find out the increase in grazing area if the rope is 10 meter instead of 5 meter. Number 2, increase in grazing area. It will be theta by 360 will be there only, theta by 360 into pi. Here we will take r2 square minus r1 square. r2 will be 10, r1 will be 5 only. So 90 by 360, 3.14. Here will be 10 square minus 5 square meter square. Cancellation is done, 4 with 2, 1.57. Here also 2. So 1.57 into 10 square means 100. 100 minus 25 by 2 meters square. So 100 minus 25 is 75. So we will add 1.57 into 75 by 2 meters square. 75 if I cancel with 2 it will be 37.5, and now we will multiply this 37.5 and 1.57. 37.5. So it is 58.875. So 58.875 will be the increase in grazing area. Next question, number 9. A brush is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters, which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. You can see in the diagram. And the total length of the silver wire required, we have to find out that and the area of each sector of the brush. So I'm going to draw the diagram first. So this one is your diagram. So here we can see 10 sectors are there and 5 diameters are there. So the length of the diameter is given, so we are going to write that diameter 35 millimeter, and from diameter we will find out radius also to find out the sector 35 by 2 millimeter. Then 5 diameters there, and you know that angle at center is always 360 degrees. And here how many sectors there? 10 sectors are there. So we will divide by 10. So angle at center will be, angle at a point is 360 and it is divided into 10 parts. So divide by 10. 36 degree will be the angle of center, angle at the center, that is theta. Now number 1, total length of the silver wire required we need to find out, and number 2, we need to find out area of each sector of the brush. To find out the total length of the silver wire, first we will find out the length of wire, that is circumference, that is circle, it is a circle, so 2 pi r, and 5 diameter we will find out. So number 1, length of silver wire will be 2 pi r plus 5 diameter. 2 pi r means circumference. Here 22 by 7 have to take. 35 by 2 is the radius plus 5 into 35. All are in millimeter. So 7 and 35 cancel, 5 is 2 cancel. So this is 110 plus 5 5 is 25, 2 175 millimeter. It will be 285 millimeter. So length of silver wire will be 285 millimeter. And now number 2, we are going to find out area of sector. Formula is theta by 360 pi r square. Theta is 36 degree here, so 360, 22 by 7, r square, that is 35 by 2, 2 times 35 by 2, and unit will be millimeter square. Cancellation, 36 and 360, 10, 7, 5 with 2, this one will be 11, 5 2 so in the denominator 4 is there, and numerator 35 into 11, 35 into 11, 385 or something should be there. 35 11 385 is 385 millimeter square. So this one will be the answer. Now question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 cm, find the area between the 2 consecutive ribs. 2 consecutive ribs area means sector we have to find out. So here radius is given 45 cm, and angle at center. Angle at center, what will be? Angle at a point is 360, and here 8 equal ribs are given, so 360 by 8 will be there, 45 degree. Now we will find out area of sector. So area of sector formula we are going to use theta by 360 into pi r square. 45 by 360, pi is 22 by 7, r is 45 into 45 centimeter square. Now 45 8 ja, then we are going to cancel with 2, this is 11, this is with 2 4, and I think no more cancellation is there, so we are going to multiply it. 45 45 is 2025. So equal to what is there, 11 into 45 45 is 2025, divide by 7 4 is 28 centimeter square. So need to multiply this 11 and 2025, it will be 22275 by 28 centimeter square. So we can keep the answer up to here, or we can convert to point. So since the number is very big, I think keeping up till here is better. So this one will be your answer, question number 10 answer. Now I am going to do question number 13. Here given that a round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. So I am going to draw the, so this is the question number 13 diagram. So it is a table cover and 6 equal designs are there. That designs I am showing by green color, and center O will be here in the middle. Now I will join this one, this point and this point I am going to join. So now it is a sector. I can name it also, suppose AB. So AB, first I will find out the angle of this one. And here 6 equal designs there, angle at center is not given. So it is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a hexagon. So hexagon means angle at the center will be how much? First we need to find out it. Since regular hexagon equal design given, regular hexagon can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. So angle at center will be 60 degree only. So we are going to use that. At first I will write here radius. Radius is 28 centimeter. So angle at center will be 6 equal designs are there. So divide by 6, 60 degree. Theta is 60 degree. Now going to find out the area of sector first. Area of sector. Theta by 360 pi r square. Theta is 60 degree. Pi 360. Pi is not mentioned. 22 by 7. R will be 28 into 28, 2 times centimeter square. Now cancellation. This one cancel. 6, 7, 4 is a. Then with 2 cancel. 2 2 is a. 2 3 is a. And I think there is no more cancellation. Now we have to multiply this. So multiplication I am going to do. So what is there? 22 and 2 28 56. 22 into 56 it is 1232. 1232 by 3. 1232 divided by 3. So it is directly not going. I'll keep up to here only. Then I'll find out area of triangle AOB needed, because the design is a segment, so we need to find out the area of the segment. So area of triangle AOB, 60 degree angle there, so it will be equilateral triangle, so root 3 by 4 side square. So root 3 value is given 1.7 by 4, side will be the radius only, 28 into 28 centimeters square, because OA and OB are 28 only. 7. So now this one you can multiply. I think here point will come, so here also I'll convert to point. This one 410.66 centimeters square, and this one will be 1.7 into 7 into 7 into 28. This one will be 333.2 centimeters square. Therefore, area of a design. Therefore, area of a design. That means it is a segment, so I will subtract that. 410.66 minus 333. 66 no need to write, then 6 only we will write. 410.6 and minus 333.2 centimeters square. So 410.6 minus 333.2, it is 77.4 centimeters square. So we have got one design, and how many designs are there? 6 designs. Therefore, area of 6 designs. So 6 into 77.4 centimeters square. 77.4 into 6, that is 464.4 centimeters square. Now, cost per centimeter square is given, we will multiply this with that. Therefore, cost of design, directly we will multiply 464.4 rupees, we will write 464.4 into 0.35, and after multiplying we will get the answer 464.4 into 0.35, that is 162 rupees, 162.54. So a point difference may come because 6 coming, 6 7 I am not taking, so it is 162.68 is there, and I am getting 54. That is okay, because we are getting this one 410.66, that one can be taken 410.7, then the answer will be different. So point difference, okay, this one can be there.